Buddy, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls, Wreaths, and things. Welcome to Christmas in July. Merry Christmas, everyone. This collaboration is with Really Good Living, J&R Restoration Decor and Design, the Rodgers House, Sisters Cousins Lifestyle, and Happy Hoarder, and me. Hope you enjoy our trip to the thrift store and our tablescape afterwards.
See a picture there. Well, but get it. Those baskets are pretty nice. Like the hats. Get a picture of that.
Is that what you were looking for?
Yeah.
I find more. I keep bringing them to you.
All right, thanks.
Is that what you were looking for?
Yeah.
I find more. I keep bringing them to you.
All right, thanks.
Oh, I thought I got that. I didn't get that. Let me. I thought I took it. It is nice. Oh, I should have checked that guy's voicemail. I will. I want to get a picture of that arena. That's big. I got it deleted. Okay, I'll get it. Get this to work. There, I got it. You get a picture of that. Those baskets are pretty nice. Get the hats. Get a picture of that.
Welcome to Thriftmas, where I got almost everything on this table from a thrift store. I'll tell you what I got at the thrift store. This is basically a tablescape plus a thrift store haul all in one. I got the charger plates. I got the plates. I got the cup. I got the wine glass. I got the votive candle. I got the Santa Clauses. All at the thrift store. The only thing I didn't get is the tablecloth, napkins, napkin ring, and my arrangement. But the rest is all Thriftmas. I couldn't believe I found these beautiful candle holders at the thrift store. Or these glasses. Or look at this votive. It's got a Christmas scene all the way around it. There's a little girl. But I found all of that at a thrift store. And I even found the set. I went back twice and I found a complete set. And these Christmas dishes with the little train and the teddy bear and the Christmas tree, I found a set of 4 at the thrift store. And these beautiful silver charger plates. They have charger plates in all colors at the thrift store for $1 in my area. But I hope you enjoyed my Thriftmas. And I hope it gives you some ideas of going to the thrift store to see if you can find some pretty new decor for your home.